Hello, Dawn's Inspirations here, and I wanted to share with you the mini pack of Imperfectly Perfect. So your papers in here are 15 centimetres by 20, and you're going to get 24 double-sided sheets. I'll go through those with you. You're also going to get a nice long sheet of piece of ribbon, some epoxy stickers as well, and some wood chipboard. Now these can all be cut out, so you can cut these words out separately. You just cut the little snips. Alright, so let's look at the pattern papers. So a nice soft palette for this paper collection. So Perfectly Imperfect, you can see the colour palette already. So I'm going to do it this way around so you can see the A and the B side, because you're going to get two of each. So I'm going to turn this one over. So you've got very pale pink and cream going on here. Okay, but then you've got the lovely, you've got lots going on in the background of these papers. I'm just hoping with the lighting it's picking them up, because you can see the beautiful papers. And on the, you know, don't forget about your banners on here. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. So beautiful wording. And again, that's the A side. I'm going to flip that over and I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see all the detail going on in the background there. It's just gorgeous. But on the reverse again, you've got that lovely, it's not just plain green. If I bring that up, you can see there's a lot going on in the background there, and those beautiful sentiments as well. Oh, I love that. That's nice, that paper. So that's the B side. That's the A side. That's the B side. Can you see how the colour palette is changing? But all the papers run the right the way through, and if you look here at the bottom, if you want to add any extra cardstock, you know you can. So that's the A side with that lovely wood grain, but look at all those colours in there. But again, when you pick this up, it's not just plain solid, you've got little elements going on, and of course beautiful sentiments. So let's do A and B again. See all the colours that are in here, they're all coming through. And if I pick this one up, this is your A side. Absolutely gorgeous. And this time your cream on here is a solid cream, but you've still got that border strip going on. So we've got this one here. Let's flip that over. So A side. Bring that up so you can see all the detail in there. It's amazing. But then you've got your B side as well, and that graduates down. It's sort of the colour tones, it's not all solid, it graduates down. So flip this next one over. So again, you've got that same patterning that's going on, but in the reverse, which is quite, it looks like a stencil's been put through. And this time you've got a scalloped bottom on there, but you've got a nice mosaic colour tone going on here with the pale blues and creams and just that little hint of pink. You get two of these, so don't panic. So on one side you've got lots of lovely zigzags if you didn't want to cut them all out. But if I bring it up, can you see the black lines? They are very easy to cut out. And these are great for toppers, for cards, using through your mini books. You know, there's several different ways you're going to use these. But just sit with a pair of fine scissors and just cut them out. It won't take you any time at all. So A and B of banners. So again, you've got the zigzag but different colour tone. You've got the greens going on this time. But look at all those banners. And remember, you've got two sheets of this. So you've got two sheets of your banners, but your lines are in there again. And then you've got two sheets of the cut apart cards. So I'm going to turn that over. On this side, you've got lots of script going on and a little zigzag banner. But then on the front, there you go, absolutely beautiful. I always have this piece of my heart that smiles whenever I think about you. Because of your smile, life is more beautiful. Beautiful words. And then we've got little sentiments, so turn that over. Again, you've got some more floral going on in a different colour palette, but you've got all your lovely words going on here. Dreams, one of a kind, a simple life, moments not things, celebrate, precious moments. So lots going on. 2 sheets of the elements, extra elements you can cut out. So on the background, it's a lovely background paper. Again, it's all those elements of that colour palette coming through. And then if I pick this one up, again, you've got the circles. Use your dies, use your punches, and then just cut out your tags and the things to use. But great add-ons to mini books, to cards, to, you know, just to make everything come to life and layer things up. And then last of all, well, not quite last of all, you've got extra flowers and things if you want to 3D. You've seen me do that before. On the reverse there, you've got, again, not plain pink. You can see there's different colours running through that. But just sit with a pair of scissors. They're not hard shapes to fussy cut out. They're not telling you to go between each leaf. You're just going round the edge. So great to use. I mean, that one is a whole circle like a reef. So that would be beautifully cut out, you know, cut out. And then a couple of sheets of white that you can ink. You can stamp on, matte and layer over the top, anything you wish. So this is your Perfectly Imperfect paper collection with your wood or your chipboard, ribbon, and your epoxy stickers. I'm Dawn's Inspirations. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon.